What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket. Come in the kitchen with me today as we make some sweet potato pie. I know that's a fan favorite for most people for the holiday, Thanksgiving holiday, but I like it year round. So come in the kitchen with me today and learn how to make sweet potato pie, and hopefully you'll try the recipe as well. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get my subscribers up, so please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video as well for anybody that need to learn how to make sweet potato pie. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. So catch y'all on the next clip. All right, y'all, so I want to show y'all the ingredients here. In the bowl, the mixing bowl, I got the sweet potatoes, or the yams, well, sweet potatoes in the bowl. It was 6 sweet potatoes that I actually boiled already, and then I put them in the colander in the sink and let them sit to like drain the water off of them. And then I got 2 eggs in the bowl. I got a cup of sugar. I may or may not use that whole cup of sugar. It's usually like a taste thing, you know. And then I got a little pet milk. I got a stick of butter, some measuring cups, and your spatula, you know, you're gonna need. And then I got some allspice and some nutmeg and some vanilla. So yeah, you want to first, y'all, I'm not gonna bore y'all with the mixing part in a loud mixer, but you want to mix your sweet potatoes, and it's a process of like getting the strings out the sweet potatoes, because you know sweet potato has a lot of strings in them. So you want to mix your sweet potatoes up, and keep rinsing like in your sink the sweet potato strings off of your beater. You don't want to put those strings back in your sweet potato and have that stringy pie. It's so disgusting, y'all. So yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that part. So be back in the next clip. Hey, I wanted to come back and let y'all know a quick tip. When you mixing your sweet potato pie, so you don't have all those strings in there, on your beaters, as you're beating your sweet potatoes, when you start your process out with your sweet potato pie mixture, keep rinsing those strings off in the sink, or taking them off in the garbage, however you want to do it. But you want to keep rinsing those strings off your beater as you beating and whipping your sweet potatoes down during the process. So just a quick tip as to how you get those strings out your sweet potato pie that's so disgusting that everybody hates while you're eating. You know what I'm saying? Nobody wants no stringy ass pie. So quick tip from Jack at Zoladonsfreshmarket. So be back after I've shown y'all on the next clip. I'll show y'all the mixture of the sweet potato pie batter after I've gotten all the strings out, and show y'all the difference. So be back. I'll let you know as I'm adding the ingredients, and you'll see me drop it in and how much I add, a little at a time. I'm going to start with the eggs first, and then I'll go into my spices, and then follow up with my sugar, and then I'll taste it. All right, gang, we back. And this is the finished batter. I'll put the ingredients down below of all of the amounts of the sugar and also the spices that I added. I got 2 ready-made pie shells that I bought at the grocery store. And yeah, and I got a preheated 350-degree oven, and add that in there. Remember, don't overfill your pie shells. And I got the thin pie shells. I don't like those deep crust pie shells. So just in case you were wondering, these are the thin crust pie shells that I am using for my pies. Probably got too much in there. And I'll adjust some out of there. So take some over here. And yeah, I probably got too much in there, y'all, but we're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it. It's kind of like, let me say, a tasting thing when you're making sweet potato pie, and depending on how big your potatoes and, you know, how they whip up, how it goes. So yeah, that's 2 pies, y'all. I'm gonna drop them in my oven. And I say they bake up like probably like an hour, somewhere around 45 minutes to an hour that you want to let your pies bake up. I'll let y'all know also in the description how long I allow the pies to bake. So yeah, thanks for joining my video today. And remember to subscribe to my channel, and please share my video. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And this was a sweet potato pie video from Zoladonsfreshmarket. I'm your girl, Jack. And remember, throw love and light on that dirt and keep shining bright. Thanks for joining my video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye. All right, y'all, it's your girl, Jack, and we back for the final segment. The pies are out of the oven. That's one pie. Then that's the other pie. They've been out of the oven for a few minutes, y'all. And I want to do me a taste test while they hot out the oven, you know. Gotta do a taste test to see how it come out. So, show y'all here. Cut into it. Alright, alright. I'm gonna just get a little piece, y'all, because gotta cook dinner still. Gotta cook dinner still. It's got a little gumminess, chewiness like I like. Let's come up out of there. Y'all see it? Still hot. Still hot. Y'all see it's still smoking. I gotta give it a chance to cool, but I wanted to finish my video, y'all, so I can show y'all how it turned out. So let's see. Alright, guys. So this our pie hot out the oven. Y'all can see it's smoking hot. That came together real nicely. It's hot. Yeah, y'all. Let me get some up here at the top. Some crust. That's good, y'all. I just needed to let it cool off. You know, I couldn't wait. Had to come back and give y'all a taste test for the video. It's your girl Jack from Zoladonsfreshmarket, and this has been sweet potato pie. for your holiday pleasure, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or just anytime, you know, you want to have you some sweet potato pie. Here go your recipe. I'll have it down in the description, y'all. The full, I'm sorry, y'all. I still got pie in my mouth and I'm talking and stumbling over my words, so excuse me. But yeah, anyway, I'll have the full description of all the ingredients that I use for the pies down below in the description. And please comment and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you like the recipe, if you tried the recipe out or not, and how it went, you know. And it's your girl Jack again from Zoladonsfreshmarket, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Thank you, and I love you all. Remember, throw love and light on that dirt and keep shining bright. Okay? Laters.